Hello, thanks for watching. So just got this tool here. It is called they call it a multifunctional cleaning shovel. Kind of a flat shovel, heavy head flat shovel. I'm going to be using this for removing weeds from my driveway where the weeds have grown through the cracks of our driveway as well as sidewalk. You could also use this for something like removing snow or ice underneath the snow. We have a little guard on here right now, but there is the blade there, and supposedly it's 11 inches according to them. We have it's pretty heavy. Looking at this, I'm not sure why I didn't make this in one piece, but it is two pieces here, and it looks like some kind of rivets. I think they are probably welded together. I don't see any welds. We have a nice clean weld right here, but yeah, they seem to be welded. They feel like it anyway. We'll give it a try on the concrete and see what it feels like later after that. This section here is thinner. All right, so let's check the blade out. All right, so I mean, you could cut yourself, but as you can see, it's not super sharp. It's not super sharp, but I mean, why would you need it razor sharp anyway? So the weight of this thing feels like just under 2 pounds. All right, so it's not that heavy. We have a handle here in 3 parts, and the handle is actually feels like plastic. Yeah, so you have one handle that has holes in it that will attach here. I'll just show you, or I'll just tell you instead of showing you how to put this together. So you find that section. Right here. All right, so you just put it in here. I mean, that really feels like plastic. It's probably very thin aluminum metal. Can't imagine that being plastic. But it is lightweight. So yeah, you put it in there, line up the holes with the shovel head. Yeah, line them up like that right there, and then okay, and then you, oh, and it says do not use this as a pry bar or pry anything. You use these bolts right here. There's 2 bolts. There are 2 washers, or 2 nuts. Looks like they have washers kind of welded onto them. And there's 2 wrenches. You have the Allen wrench here, and then you have these nuts that will be held by this wrench right here to tighten that handle piece onto the head. The bolts in there and the nuts on them, and I'm just going to tighten down the nut here, and you want to get it pretty tight because we're going to be hitting on the driveway, we're going to be hitting against concrete, or sliding it on concrete, I guess. So there we go. I think that's probably good enough. We can always tighten it more if it loosens. And here's our multifunctional cleaning shovel. That's what they call it. I don't know what to call it. It's more like a scraper of some type. It's almost like a flathead shovel, but it's nowhere really near that actually. So I don't know what to call it, but it measures at approximately 54 inches long. All right, so it is very lightweight. I'll probably be like grabbing it right here on this grip here where it's screwed in. And again, this is kind of a hard. It's not really a foam, but comfortable enough. And so that'll be the action we'll be trying to do on our grass. weed, etc. So let's go out and try it out. All right, here we are outside, and see where the grass has grown through the cracks right here. So that's not what I bought it for. There's really another tool to use for that. We'll try. I mean, you could, if you took a lot of time, you could probably cut all that out. That's not what I want to do though. So let me show you what we're going to be trying to remove. Okay, so see the sidewalk? See that grass there? And we have the same thing going out in the main sidewalk, the city sidewalk. Stuff like this right here, right there. See, we've got quite a bit of a shadow today, so I'll have to see if I can set the camera up so we can get a good idea how this thing works. Let's try this one first. That is a lot. That is a ton of grass that's grown between the cracks of this old paved walkway here, and a trimmer is going to take a lot of time, probably waste a lot of line to do that kind of stuff. I've used a flathead shovel, that works pretty well, but thought we would try this today. This is going to be sharper. This is more of a scraper than a shovel, really. So let's see how well it works. All right, that was easy. That was really easy. One thing to note is it's going to be really good if you have level concrete. Unlevel concrete is probably going to be a little more difficult, or a lot more difficult. I'm thinking I couldn't get this little piece up right here. Let's go back over here this side. Okay, there we go. So yeah, really easy. No sweating involved. Let's go try some more. There we are now, cleaned up. Here is what we removed. Right here. There was some on the side right there. Still there a little bit where that's broken. And then here's where we started. So under 5 minutes. You do have to use some power if some of that stuff is, if it's really well rooted. That last one I did. If you're having trouble, stand at a different location, like put it back on the other side or something and start there, or at the side. So that's what I've experienced today. Let's grab it. The multifunctional cleaning shovel. Here it is after use. There's a possibility, I'm not sure what kind of alloy this is, but I mean, it still feels the same to me, and there's a possibility that this could actually get even sharper. So don't think it'll wear that easy. It seems to be pretty durable, whatever it is. I guess that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.